this is one of the first places I wanted to eat at, and it's the Nasi Uduk place, which I read about. And this is the front of it. Zainal Fanani. And I think it's established in 1967, so it's been around for a while. And we actually ate here yesterday, but we were fighting some jet lag, so it was challenging to even just walk around for a little bit. But we're more awake today, and I want to show you this Nasi Uduk place. Two tofu.
Yeah. Do you want ayam? And tofu. Tempeh. Do you have pad thai? Bean?
Yeah.
Anything else you want?
No. That's it. That's it. That's it right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the way you order here is when you first come in, you order the sides you want at the front, and then you sit down as they prepare that, and then they bring you the rice. So what makes this unique is that they cook this rice with coconut milk, and then they give you fried shallots on top. And this is a Batawi style of dish, and in a lot of Batawi cuisine they use coconut, and then they give you a peanut sauce with ketchup anise and looks like more shallots, and then they give you even more peanut sauce, and I think there's sambal on this one, and then this is just pure sambal right here. And then you can also help yourself to rice crackers.
Today we're gonna try the stinking or pad thai. Stinking. I haven't tried it before.
So everything came, and we have 2 tempehs, 2 tofus, and 2 pieces of chicken, and then they gave us veggies, and then this is the stink bean that we wanted to try too. And then all you do is you take your rice and dump it out and wrap it from the banana leaf and kind of prepare it any way you want. So you can completely cover it in the peanut sauce. And then this peanut sauce is more liquidy, and I think there's chili in it.
Oh wow, okay. Now I know what it looks like. It's good though, really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's like a really pungent, I don't know how to describe it. It's good though. Crunchy.
This is the first time I've tried this stink bean. And yeah, it's pungent and it lives up to the name. I think they just deep fried it. It's good though, I like it. And the rice is coconutty, really flavorful, and the banana leaf gives it a more fragrant taste. And then my personal favorite is the tempeh, and it's really crispy. Perfect. What's your favorite?
Tofu.
I'm gonna try more sambal. scooter parking right there, and then we're right off the main road too. Yeah, we have noticed a lot of people coming to pick up food to deliver. Here's the chicken. It's very yellow. I think they put turmeric on it. And really good. They kind of double fried it. It's already done when you get here, and then they refry everything. And this is after the meal, after everything has been demolished. We ate for the rice, and they only charge you for which ones you eat. And the chicken, we ate the tofu and the tempeh. And by far this was the most spicy sambal and less spicy. Beans are really good. Definitely a different taste than normal. It's kind of fragrant and pungent, fresh and pungent, and really good though. Really good. It's a good contrast with the ayam goreng and all the deep fried foods. Even though the stink beans are deep fried, they're still like totally different flavor. Just finished the Nasi Uduk, which was delicious. That was our second time eating there. Like I said, the first day we got here, we were very tired, and this was close to our hotel and easy to walk to. And later today, we are going to explore even more here in Jakarta. And this is the walk back, so really close, like I said. Got to dodge some scooters. Shortcut for the trip with. And even on this street, there's more street carts, different food, bakso, soto ayam, and ketoprak, which I haven't tried yet. Everyone just going about their business. Sapi across the street, which is a beef place. Bakso cart, and Nasi Ayam across the street. And this is where we're staying. It's the Juno Hotel.